everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to sign up ChatGPT account. Now to begin the process, you need to open a Google browser. Once you open a browser, click open new tab. There on the search bar, you type in chat.openai.com and press enter. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI, which is launched in November 2022. ChatGPT does not search the internet for solution as Siri or Alexa does. It's different from AI assistants. Instead, it builds a sentence word by word, choosing the most likely token to appear after each one based on a prior experience. Now to create an account, you need to click on sign up. Click that. For signing up, you will need to provide your email address. You can also sign up with the Google or Microsoft account. If you click on any of this option, your account will be easily created with the account details of your Google or Microsoft. But here we're going to go with the email process. So type in the email address first and then click on continue. After that, you will need to provide a password. Type in the password, then click on continue. It will direct you to this page where you will need to verify your email address. So for verification, you click on open Gmail and a new tab with your Gmail will be opened. There's the OpenAI mail. Click open that, and here all you have to do is click on verify email address. This will verify the email address of yours. Moving forward to the process where you will need to provide further details of yours. So provide the first name, provide the last name, then click on continue. Now you need to provide a phone number. Before that, you click on the drop down menu and choose your country, region or the code, and then after you type in your number. Once you typed in, you need to click on send code on the bottom. Click on it and you will need to enter the code that has been sent to the mobile number of yours. Once you receive that code, type in on the text box. And right after you type in the code, you will be directed to this page where you have successfully signed up for the ChatGPT account. So this is how you can sign up ChatGPT. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.